Hello everyone, my name is Niwen Widya Rahayu, kelas 1A Akuntansi Pagi. I want to tell you about my business plan. My business plan name is Fashion Shop. The first, there is a vision and mission. Vision, creating equality and training products and being able to become a pioneer of women fashion that is training both nationally and internationally at affordable price and also make women fashion professional. And mission, create and explore potential market opportunities, creating superior and equality product design, creating unique creation and innovation, as well as providing satisfaction to customer. Next, goal of future. The first goal is get optimal profit or profit from this product. The second goal is providing clothing products that have new innovation and are liked by our circles of society. And the last goal is realizing Indonesian women who are training for the times. Next is the target market. The target market of this woman fashion is women or people who are always looking for equality and low price with equality goods. Business team. For this initial business house company name is Fashion Shop. I work with a team of 10 people who are responsible for sale, product data collection, product display, promotion, marketing and customer service. And every team we have has expertise in their field. Barriers to achieve the target. There are obstacles to achieving the target, namely the number of competitors with foreign brands, too much planning, delays in delivery of goods, and employees who work less effectively. How to serve customer? The first way to serve customer is to greet customer in a friendly manner, respond to requests thoughtfully, actively listen to customer, and offer the right advice. Adding new customer. How to add new customer, namely by making the latest product innovation, maximizing the use of social media with promotion, looking for business partner, holding discount every month and applying different marketing strategies. And final accounting. The first is equipment and raw material. The total cost of raw material is 10,200,000. The second 1 week's income. 1 week's total income is 11,500,000. And the last 1 week's profit with a total profit of 1 week's that is 1,300,000. That's my little explanation of the business plan. That is all and thank you. Goodbye.